Okay, Phil, this one's for you. You told me I should record the cards that blow up. So that's the candidate today. I have it hooked up to my TV there. And the short story on this card is that it blew up. Basically, it's missing a lot of components right now. I did a patch there. You can see it here, the black blob. So it's missing 2 coils and 2 hybrids. These hybrids are very posh. None of these discrete MOSFETs rubbish. These are very, very good hybrids. You can only find them on very high-end graphics cards. They're also pretty expensive. They have a lot, and they can deliver a lot of power. It's like a driver MOSFET and MOSFETs in a small package that delivers a lot of, and I mean a lot of power. So they're pretty good, but if they go, they go. This one blew up and took a part of the PCB with it, basically causing a big short through the board layers. This is 980 Ti. I think it's like 5 years old at this point. It's still a gaming beast. I have it on a Razer, so fortunately maybe it won't blow the entire PC up. So even it can catch flames, right? But if it don't, I still need to power it off pretty quickly, because you see the die size here. Yeah, it's probably a TI card, so it's getting 100 degrees Celsius pretty much immediately. So there we go. Yeah, chip is getting hot. Nothing blew up yet. Oh, we have a beep. And we have a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, it's getting hot. The crystal is getting hot. This thing, I think it just hit 60 degrees Celsius. But, you see, this one, even though it's missing power rails, didn't blow up. So, well, maybe next time.